And one of the first affiliate programs that was ever created was actually created by Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon.com. They called it the Amazon Associates Program, and it really set the groundwork for many of the affiliate programs that exist today. Amazon allows you to promote most of their products as an affiliate. However, unlike most other affiliate programs, you're not getting paid on the full price of the product. You're only receiving a percentage commission on the fees that Amazon collects. Typically, Amazon charges anywhere from 4 to 15% in fees to sell a product on their site. And they sell that to the vendors that sell products on their site. Since that's the only amount of money that Amazon collects, that's the percentage that you get paid on. So you're going to get paid on 4 to 15% of the dollar value of the item. Now, in most cases, that would sound horrible because it's such a small amount, but there are people who've managed to figure out ways to really be able to use the Amazon branding, the Amazon name, to drive a lot more traffic to their websites and to still make significant amount of money with the Amazon affiliate program. Here's where you find out about the program. It's at affiliate-program.amazon.com. And by the way, I'm going to also provide at the end of this course a copy of this PowerPoint presentation, and it'll be in PDF form, so you can actually click on all these links and you'll be able to find all these sites that we reference here. Here's what Amazon says. It says, advertise. Choose from over 1 million products to advertise to your customers. Whether you are a large network, a content site, or a blogger, we have simple linking tools to meet your advertising needs and help you monetize your website. And then it says, get up to 10% in advertising fees. Earn advertising fees from qualifying purchases, not just the products you advertised. So what's good about the Amazon program is if somebody goes to your site, let's say, and they click on one of your links, but they don't buy that product on Amazon, instead they buy a big screen TV for, let's say, $500, you're going to get paid on that big screen TV sale. Even though you didn't originally send them to that big screen TV, but because they were cookied as your visitor on Amazon, anything they buy from Amazon gets included in your commission. So that's kind of the really positive side of being an Amazon affiliate, is if that person ends up buying, several $1,000s worth of products, you make out like a bandit because you're getting paid on all of those products. That's one of the pluses, and that's one of the reasons that a lot of people like the Amazon affiliate program. Now, they also have something very interesting here that's not talked about very much. It's called the Amazon A Store. This has been around for a long time, and this is the link where you can find out more about it. It says, create a professional online store in minutes without the need for programming skills. Build up to 100 storefronts. In other words, Amazon's giving you the ability, once you're one of their affiliates, to build up to 100 Amazon stores. You populate the stores with the products that you want in that store, and every product in there contains your special affiliate link. That way, when somebody buys through your Amazon A store, you get paid. So that's a very interesting way to set up an Amazon affiliate store and not actually have to have any web designing or web building skills. You could actually do this and not create your own website because Amazon gives you the tools to actually create the website itself. Pretty amazing and pretty cool tool. So at that point, all you do is focus on driving traffic to your Amazon A store. And once again, no matter which of these products that they may click on, if they end up buying or adding a lot more to their Amazon shopping cart and buying through your link, you get paid commission on all of that.